150 divided by 1 over 10 times 10. Our goal is to find the value of this expression. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. First, let's do this multiplication. 1 over 10 times 10 equals 10 over 10. And 150 divided by 10 over 10. 10 over 10 gives us just 1. So 150 divided by 1, which equals just 150. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. And after our division, we have to do multiplication. So first, 150 divided by 1 over 10. According to the KCF rule, KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we can write 150 times just 10. And again here we have times 10. Now 150 times 10 times 10. 150 times 10 gives us 150 and 0. And again times 10 gives us 150, 0 and 0. So therefore our final answer to this problem is just 15,000. The correct answer is 15,000.